Hi everyone, I'm Anew and today's video is all about skincare. Now you guys know just how much I love skincare. I love pampering my skin, trying out new products. So today I have a package that I just received that I'm gonna be opening up. Look at that. This looks really good. It's beautiful, high-end packaging. Looks expensive. I mean, look at this. And I really love the rose gold. I mean, personally, I am so in love with rose gold. So this one actually says that it is a renewal activating serum. This one seems to promise that it will make my skin look younger in 7 days. I'm super curious about that and I definitely want to try it out for myself. Now there's no brand label on it, but I am pretty sure that it is a serum, and so I'm gonna try this out for a week and let's see how it goes. I'm about to go to bed, which is usually the time I do my skincare routine. Let's try it out. So I'll just put 2 pumps on my hand. Now the consistency actually feels very lightweight and very smooth and silky. Like it's kind of like I'm really hoping that my skin ends up feeling like this in the end. So I'm just going to put this on my face. This is such a treat to put all over your face right before you sleep, and I'm so excited to see how my skin will look when I wake up. Now it's time for me to get some sleep. Wow, I slept so well last night. Maybe it's because I slept early for once. Now let's look at the mirror and see if there are any changes. I just washed my face and now I'm gonna be adding more because it's just doing great things to my skin. Now that I'm done with my skincare, it is now time to get ready for the day. Don't worry everyone, I'm gonna be updating you on the serum and I'll see you around. Bye! It's been a few days now and I'm already seeing some positive differences in my skin. It feels expensive. The consistency of the serum is not sticky, it feels really light and it has a little sheen to it, and it's such an easy thing to put on too. So all you have to do is to put 1 pump and then just apply it to your face, and voila, you can easily see just how it brightens it, and it feels and looks so good in the skin. I just feel so refreshed and it's such a great thing to do, especially when you're on the go. I don't know if it's visible on camera, but my skin feels firmer, and I may be 30 years old, but my skin doesn't look and feel that way at all. I'm really curious to know what is in this exactly because I love what it's doing to my skin. Now I'm really excited to see the results after 7 days. Okay, it's been 7 days and now it is time for the big reveal. I know you are all as curious as I am to find out what exactly I have been putting all over my face. Let's see what this product is all about. Oh my gosh, it is from Avon. No wonder my skin just looks and feels really amazing after using this. I mean, the pink pearlescent formula really looks like the luxury serums I've seen online. If you look at my skin right now, it honestly looks amazing. It really looks brightened and moisturized, and it's all because of this serum. You know, I really don't have a lot of time to do self-care, but just putting a small amount all over my face before I go to bed just makes such a big difference. Now I want to check online just how much this is. This is not that expensive pala. Alam mo, ang galing talaga na I don't have to spend so much money just to achieve this beautiful, youthful glow. And if I ever run out of serum, I can easily order more through a trusted Avon representative, Avonshop.PH, and through Avon's official Shopee and Lazada stores. This truly is a skin investment I never knew I needed to future-proof my skin. That's about it for me. You know, I really enjoyed blind testing this Avon Anew Renewal serum and just seeing and experiencing the amazing effects on myself. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!